This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make YouTube smaller on your Android phone. So we can just open this up, and I have the switcher button down here at the bottom. I can just press this and go over to YouTube. I can hold down on it right in the middle, and then I can drag this wherever I want. So I'm going to tap it right there, and then I can make this smaller, and you can see I can bring all the way to just the icon right here. And if you're playing music or something, you can just have it super small so you don't see it up on your screen. When you're using your phone, you can see it's right there, and you can just go to wherever you want now. So yeah, you can just make it bigger or smaller. Now you can just close this with the switcher. You can close all, or you can just close YouTube and just open it up. It'll be large screen again. But to get the buttons, if you don't have those on, just go to Settings. Then mine is under Display. It's called Navigation Bar for me, but it's probably going to be 3-button navigation for you. Just go to Buttons instead of the swipe gesture, so if you just have a line down here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.